So the job we got to do today is to replace the Heatrae Sadia wall-hung water heater, and it's been replaced by warranty, so the manufacturer sent the new one, but they not covered the installation. So basically original fault, it's been like just less than 2 years old, and it was during the service they noticed a leak from the tank itself, and I did report. The customer sent it to the manufacturer and they send replacement, so I'm gonna replace it today. Let's have a look. So this is water heater installed in a small bathroom, basically like a shower room, and the space is quite tight, but I think we can do that.